forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama telling you this. Hey, jump. On a better have some respect and manners. See the Asian them and give them honors.
So we say happy Father's Day. So we say a big shout out to the real father them out there. You take care of the youth. Yeah, you know it's something go. Enough man don't really get no youth neither, but they play a nice role in some youth life. So we say respect to that same way. Happy Father's Day. And we say respect to the woman out there, and them alone take care of the youth them. The father not did it. Father's Day for the woman there too. Happy, but you do everything same way. So we say respect our manners, you know. Long life and happy living. So we make a little drive down the street. And so I go down on the front. I can't do it. I get some food and take care of yourself. So we give thanks to life.
Hey people, yes, welcome back to the channel first of all, and happy Father's Day to, sorry the camera's jiggling, so happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Like Outlaw said, even to those who are not fathers, who play a significant role in children's lives, to all the uncles, the grandfathers out there, mentors out there, happy Father's Day to you. Today is your day. So yes, we are going out to eat now, taking Outlaw out to eat. We're going to a new restaurant in Plantation Village. Yes, Outlaw told me about it. Yeah, somebody recommended you to it, right?
Yeah.
So it's new, brand, like a few months old, right? Or, yeah, a couple of weeks old, or a couple months old. The brand new restaurant. We're gonna go check it out. So we're gonna let you guys know if it's worth visiting, if it's good. Yeah. It's a seafood place, seafood restaurant, but they do local Jamaican dishes as well.
We have a few things. So
yeah. So we're gonna check it out. Yes, and we're gonna make sure we cover it, show you guys what the place looks like, review the food and all the rest of it. Yes.
Yeah, it's at the front, you know, so it's not far from anywhere.
Yeah, we're gonna show you exactly where it is.
Yeah,
we'll show you where it is.
So you know what's going on.
Yeah. So in the meantime, like we said, happy Father's Day to all of the fathers out there. This is your day. Have a good one.
And prayers.
Alright, so we're coming up to Plantation Village, the housing, was it not scheme, is it? Was it like a development type of
the gated community.
Yeah. Gated community, yeah. So many of you will know this place, Plantation Village. So where's the place?
Right there next door.
Oh, how'd you get in? Oh, you're getting over there?
Right there.
Oh, okay. So there's Plantation Village there. And then here is restaurant. What's it called again? Starliner. Yes. So right next door to Plantation Village, the gated community. So here we are. Looks empty. Well, we are very early, guys. We're like, it's about 1:15 right now.
Yeah, very early.
Yeah.
Right there.
So you see like all the columns have got the grass feature in it.
Good draw weed indeed.
Oh, stay there. So this is it. Alright, let's go in and see what it's about. Here we are, Starliner Seafood.
Yeah, babes. First time to Starliner. Breadfruit tree in the building. Right there. Nice look. I like it. So I go and crab on the wall. Beautiful Starliner. You have a friend told me about this restaurant and said you must know what I go on and look what I go on and see what I go on. Not bad. Not bad at all. So I go upstairs with the breeze and blow. Go upstairs with the breeze and blow. Wow, man. Not bad. Man, I'm prayers, man. Give thanks to life. Plantation Village, just beside Plantation Village, same area. That's the main road across there. And straight across, that's where they keep Rebel Salute and all these big events. Just across the road. Yeah.
Yeah, it's beautiful, guys.
Beautiful, very beautiful. And behind this building, it's a village. Yeah. It's a community right there. Plantation
And it's a seafood place. So this is what that does getting. Curry, coconut curry seafood. Yeah. I'll check that for me. I'm gonna get this fish. And then this is the local stuff. Very good stir fried chicken. You get this shrimp, there's a chicken breast there. Sides, salad. Yes, that's the menu. And then the cocktails. Guys, I must say, one of the things that has stood out so far is the service. I mean, we haven't been served, right? Our order hasn't been taken, but the greeting that we got, the welcome that we got by the two staff that are here, one of the best I have received. Honestly, two men greeted us, really nicely seated us, really good customer service. Very polite, yeah, the way that it should be done. And you know, in Jamaica, you don't really get that too often. So yes, I'm very impressed with the customer service so far. Yeah, excellent. Yeah, big up to Starliner. Good customer service. Yeah, well trained staff. Yeah, man. Good. Outlaw got red pea soup with conch. I didn't get any because I don't eat conch, but I'll take some. I will take some. It's a soup itself. They say it tastes good. No, it's fine. You say it tastes good?
Yeah. It's good.
Nice and rich.
Really rich food.
I'll taste some guys, no lie, this soup is the baddest. I didn't get none, you know, because I don't eat conch. But my gosh, just a taste of the soup. It's the soup. Babe,
Yeah.
this is it. It tastes so good. This reminds me of traditional cooking.
I don't get the conch.
No, I don't want no conch, I just like the soup part. Guys, this tastes like good Jamaican traditional. That granny used to make. Yes. Granny used to make. Yeah. You don't mind if I eat it off, you know?
Yeah, let's get on to that. Yeah, I don't want to say anything.
Guys, this is good. Good.
I'm not doing my idea. You can like that everything.
Yeah, this is there. Yeah, it's your day, but sharing is caring.
We are going to leave now.
Made mess. That is the truth. That is so good. But if I order one of them, I'm not going to be able to eat my food. That tastes good, you know. That does come right. So peas, fruits come. Look at this. This is, what's this called again? Sea horse.
Yeah, curry cat.
Or sea cat. Look at it. Look at that, guys. It's got tentacles. Up. All the seafood people, good on you guys, but I can never eat this. Look at this. How is it? Huh?
Good.
Oh, look at this, guys. Has anybody ever had sea cat before? Sea cat. Look at it, it's got tentacles. Not tentacles. What's not tentacles? It has got tentacles. What's these things? Whatever those things are called. Yeah. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it.
Yes, ma'am, I will.
Alright, look at mine, guys. Doesn't this look good? The presentation is everything. Look at this. Escovitch fish on my fries here. Yeah, I'm so looking forward to cooking into this. Yeah, it looks great. But I just can't get over this. It's the first time I've seen him. It's them sucker things. Them things that's... Oh, no, he's digging right in. He's really enjoying it. Curry coconut sea cat. Seafood. Is it okra? The okra. Hit him. Push him. Really indulged. Is it good? Alright guys, let me taste mine. Good. It's good. Yeah. It's good, thank you. Guys, it tastes as good as it looks. Yeah, it's good. Very good. All right, guys. So we've just left the Starliner restaurant. Yeah, good choice. It was a very good choice. A good choice. It was good. I actually wanted to go to another place called Tiki Tail, right? It's a fairly new restaurant. Where is it? Just across the road. Yeah, very close to Plantation Village and Smokehouse and all that. And it's been open about a year, I think, and we haven't gone there yet. That's where I really want to go, but I'm glad that we came here. And
nice, man.
Quick review.
Beautiful.
So I would give customer service a 10 out of 10. For every member of staff, there was 4 members of staff that we encountered with, 2 guys and the lady. Yeah. 10 out of 10. The way they greeted us, perfection. The way they dealt with us right throughout, great experience. And you know, unfortunately in Jamaica, sometimes customer experience can be one of the downfalls.
Big problem.
Problem, as Outlaw says. But customer service was on point. Yeah, like one of the best. Very attentive, very friendly. Great. I would say the location, good location, actual venue, good venue. Yeah, as you could see, the views were beautiful.
Good venue.
So venue, the only thing I would say is I'd tweak a few things here and there, add a few little bits just for the ambience, you know, but still a nice venue, nice place.
Nice place, man. Cool place.
They're new, so you know there's still a few things that they're gonna have to tweak.
Yeah.
Small things like when we got the bill, they just gave it to the paper bill. It would be nice if it was in a little book.
I think that's the only restaurant me ever go and see a fruit tree bearing inside it. I mean, like growing inside here. Yeah, a fruit tree, a breadfruit tree is growing inside the building. Yeah.
That was a nice feature.
Watching the video, you will see that.
That was a nice feature. That's a nice feature. But the bill. It would be nice if the bill, because it was just given to me in a paper bill, it would be nice if it was in like a book. You know, sometimes it gives you in a nice little book or a nice little. So it's small things like that that I think they will improve on as time goes on. Because they're brand new, it's a brand new place, so they'll get there. So I'm not even I can't even, can't fight them for that. The food, let's talk about it.
Yeah, man, the food shot like bullet.
Outlaw got the sea cat, what they had called sea puss, with rice and peas.
Curry sea cat and coconut.
Yeah, curry coconut. He said that was really good. You know, I didn't try any of that because I'm not a seafood person like that. I don't eat those things.
So man, know me I talk about it now.
Okay.
Yeah, so no understand me I say. Alright, good.
I got the escovitch fish, which was perfect, down to perfection. Really, really good. The drinks were really good as well. Yeah, I got a strawberry daiquiri and really glad that he got a rum punch. We'll definitely be back.
Yes,
so if you guys are looking for somewhere in the outskirts of Ocherius, this is in Plantation Village.
Yes.
Plantation.
Actually Prairie, yeah.
Prairie, yeah. So check them out. They're called Starliner.
Yeah.
Starliner. Yeah.
So this place is just like 2 minutes away from Smokehouse.
Yeah.
Just across the road from the event place where they keep all the events.
Cove.
Where Robinson Loop
opposite Plantation
Opposite,
Cove.
yeah, just across from it.
Yeah. Not very far from Smokehouse, and also not far from the new restaurant Tiki Tail.
No.
Right next to Plantation Village gated community.
Just a minute away from the pudding shop in Prairie. Just a minute away.
Yeah.
Yeah, so close to a minute, close to a few things. Not far away from anything.
Yeah.
So,
just off the main.
Yeah, good spot.
Good location.
Good location.
We will definitely be back, guys. We'll definitely be back. I think it was a good choice for Father's Day meal. Did you enjoy your meal out there?
Yeah, man. Respect our man. I'm going to give thanks to life, man.
Yeah.
The rest of manners and prayers.
Alright, people. Hope you've enjoyed this vlog. I hope you had a great Father's Day, whatever you did. And we'll see you in the next one. Like we said.
Work, man. Don't drop it.